fuck.
Hindi. Nakakainis na.
1, 2,
Nire-record
fuck.
ko na. Naka-record yan. Recorder yan.
Really? I would like to apologize to the Filipino public for all the derogatory statements I made, especially against the president.
Naka-video ba? Ha?
I would like to pledge my allegiance to this government, and sooner or later I'll be surrendering. But at this point, I am still negotiating with the NBI, and if and only if I'm going to surrender, may I ask you to give me a full entourage. I want a press conference. I want all the editors of all the newspapers there. I want Boy Abunda to be there, Chris Aquino. I want you to be there as well, because I am sure you're going to make a big fuss out of this, and it's going to make an actor out of me. Before anything else nga pa, I would like to thank my choreographer. I would like to thank Maribeth Bichara. I would like to thank Bench for this outfit, this shirt, and my mother for giving me life, and all the aspiring directors, and mabuhay ang NPA, ang mabuhay ang samahan ng mga bading.
Dali na, patingin niya. Patingin, hindi na ba niya ata naka-record?
It's being recorded, I tell you.
I think so. It's not
137, it's not moving. Video camera 140.
Ay, nag-move na.
See? This is going to make my career as a independent film producer.
Hindi mo naman i-ano yung para kita ka.
Yeah.
No. Dito para ikaw. No. You move your hand over there. Hindi. Dito mo itapat yung ano pa.
Sa lahat na nanonood ng Captain Barbell, bullshit kayo. Super Ingo kami.
Kapitan Ingo.
Kapitan Ingo, alright. Halata hindi nanonood. Oh! I would like to thank David Salon for the stupid haircut. I would like to thank Wilkins for giving us dirty water, and Picnic. And of course, Tiara Hotel, the most dangerous hotel to be. Here it's blackout per minute, and so it's the best time to make babies when it's dark. I would like also to thank Smart. Sos Maria, maraming trabaho. Salamat at may bagyo. Choy ko chua! Choy chua! Choy chua!